Okay, so let's install WordPress on XAMPP. So first thing you want to do is, if you haven't installed XAMPP or got the files from WordPress, then there's some tutorials in the comment and in the description below to get those. Now, to actually install it, the first thing you want to do is right click on the WordPress zip folder and then do extract all. You will get this folder right here. You want to make a copy of WordPress, so just right click on it and then do copy. Open up XAMPP like I've already done here and then do Explorer. Go to HD Docs and paste it in here by just right clicking and doing paste. I've got mine right here. You will then just minimize this one. Then what you want to do is start up Apache and MySQL. So just hit start and then start again. Go to MySQL and go to admin. Do new and then name it. So I'm going to do WPT for WordPress tutorial and then hit create. Then you want to go to the top here and then just get rid of all this and then do WordPress. And then just press enter. This will take a minute or so, well, a few seconds to load, hopefully, for the sake of the tutorial. There we go. Right, you want to choose your language, so I'm doing English, hit continue. Then you want to add your database in, so let's go, and then you want to type in the database what you just created, so mine is WPT. Username is root, what is set by default, and password is nothing. So just don't type in it in there. It's not nothing spelt out. It's just nothing. Then you want to press submit. Hit run installation. And this is pretty much it. You just need to put in your site name, username, password, etc. And then just press install WordPress. So I hope you found this useful. Maybe subscribe, rate and comment, and see you again in the future. Bye.